How to day trade on Fidelity Active Trader Pro. First, go to Active Trader Pro website and log into your account. Then on Homepage, click on Trade and Orders. Then click Trade. In the Trade window, begin by selecting the account you wish to trade from. When viewing your account information, that both margin and non-margin buying power are immediately displayed. Next, enter the symbol you wish to trade. Remember, the single trade ticket supports equities, options, ETFs, and mutual funds. Once the symbol has been entered, a streaming quote will display at the bottom of the ticket to help determine the right time to place your order. Select your action. Let's place a sell order. Enter a value in the quantity field. Now, choose an order type. Let's select limit. Once you have completed all the necessary fields, select the preview button. Click on place. That's it. Thanks for watching.